Hey legends, we are back with another video. This time we're gonna do something different. I'm gonna teach some things, just more educational content. I'm gonna run you through a qualifying session for me. It was at Hockenheimring, the second round of my Porsche Carrera Cup Benelux season. It's quite nice and yeah, I will run you through. Hopefully you will enjoy it and learn some things. Here we are starting the session on new tires. For me it was the first time on new tires. All the other guys, they already did a free practice with new tires. So it was quite difficult because the feeling of a new tire is a bit different. Yeah, I'm learning throughout this session, but it's not ideal. So as you can see, we are actually not going that fast and we are also not weaving. That's because the temperature was so hot. It was like 36 degrees Celsius. So we had to be really careful with the tires. Like weave a little bit, but mainly braking and throttle. So in these sports cup cars, we want to actually heat up the fronts first and then do the rears, because most of the time the rears are already warming up by themselves because we have a rear engine. You can see we are just following the cars ahead. These guys were quick. The two championship leaders, they were in front of me, so yeah, it was nice to follow them, see what they are doing, also with the tire warm-up. For me this was also quite new. Normally I would weave like crazy. But now I had to be very careful. So that was the first warm-up lap. Now we do another warm-up lap, and this time we can carry a bit more speed, really get the temp in the tires, but still not pushing that much, don't damage the tires. We wanted to have the pressure at lap 3 to 4 to 5. At this point everyone is just looking for a nice position to have a bit of a gap to the cars in front. Here we are starting the first real qualifying lap. But at this point I wasn't too happy. Here you can see I just completely missed the apex. I just did not have the feeling yet, the peak of the tire. So at this point I already know basically this lap is just another warm-up lap. But that's okay. I mean, ideally you want to have the peak pressure in lap 3, lap 4. So now we are heading into the second qualifying lap. This time we get to the apex, get a nice rotation in, get onto the curbs. This wasn't track limits because we can be with one wheel on the blue-white curb. That's okay. So now I'm adjusting the brake bias more to the front because we have a heavy braking zone. And as you can see, I went in really deep because the tarmac on the inside is just really poor. There's no traction at all. So everyone saw this on the track walk, and we all basically did this line. You can carry a lot of speed and rotate quickly, get on power quicker, so it's just a win-win. You gain like 2/10. Yeah, the video's a bit stuttery, I don't know. Was the second lap pretty okay, a 41.48. So heading out of the final corner, we gained like 2 to 3 tenths, and it's a 41.24. So that's a nice improvement. It was P2 with 1 or 2 tenths to Robert De Haan. So here we have some traffic coming up. I wasn't improving on this lap. I think we are going in right now. also to save the tires because the peak was already gone. So we come in the pits and we will change tires again, go for a second run. I was quite happy with the car. Yeah, good feeling. Not a lot of experience on new tires because the tires are so freaking expensive. In general, really happy. We made no adjustments to the setup, just kept it like this, and we went out for another run. So, second run. And just like the first run, we just take it carefully on the first out laps. Just only brake, throttle, no weaving. As you can see here, I just fast forwarded because well, it's basically the same as the previous laps. So, second outing, we're starting the first qualifying lap. And let's see if I wound up the tires a bit better. And we have some traffic. This is not ideal. I just, well, this lap is gone. I could feel that the tires weren't working perfectly, so for me it was okay. This was just another warm-up lap. So we are going for another qualifying lap. Good exit. So into the last sector. I'm green on my delta, so I'm really pushing right now. Just getting the maximum out of it. bit of oversteer on the exit. And we get a 41.23. We missed the apex here, but it's all good. We carried quite a lot of speed. Delta is green. So we are heading into sector 3. Green on my delta. And we have a bit of traffic, a bit of dirty air, just sliding here. So I think we missed a couple of tenths here. It is a 41.5. Fastest lap. I think I'm in position 3 right now. And look on the left, we get a red sign, red flag. Here we are going in again. It was a really good session overall. I made some big improvements. Car felt really good. So thank you so much for listening to this. I hope you really enjoyed this. And I'm gonna do this more often, I think. So if you want to see more videos like these next to the POV stuff, yeah, hit that like button, comment down below what you think, and see you in the next one, legend.